Alright, fuck it. Here we go.
The cloud coming over there. He probably want to take off with the other direction.
I'm gonna do whatever the fuck I want. I don't know. It's just so, it's weird. I'm just gonna take off. We've got enough runway. Fuck it. Who cares? The honey badger of airplanes. Who gives a shit? Yeah. It's turning into the wind. See that? I'm not doing that. It did it all by itself. It's seriously cross. Yep. Here, I'll try to fly straight down the runway.
What it's called? Well, actually, the MiG was better.
I mean, it's doable. It's just not super fun. I'm not even touching the rudder. It's just doing that. Oh yeah, I've already got it set up. Yep. I'm not working at all. I have it all set up. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Landing will be fun. Oh, you just land into the wind, you'll be fine. You can, if you get your whole high alpha stuff right, you'll get it.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time expired.
Woo! Funky, funky! We'll do a couple more passes and see what it likes. To be honest, I don't. The way it is now, it's full on cross. I can choose either way. Let's see. So here, look. There's that way. There's that way. Right. Whoa! Let's try the other way. This is actually kind of fun. The other way's better. I think the other way, I'm not using them.
1 minute over.
The other way. Yeah. Yep. Whoa! I don't touch the rudder till I'm on the ground. Woo, mama! I didn't touch the rudder till on the ground. If you're scared, say you're scared. I'll just do what you're gonna do and be done. Fuck.